If you're dieting, you've probably struggled with eating at times when you weren't really hungry. One of the best ways to lose weight and improve your health is to find activities that will help to take the focus off of food. Food can be viewed as a source of fuel that is also enjoyed. But it doesn't have to be the center of every activity and every celebration. It's a good idea to keep a list of activities that you can do that will take your mind off of eating when you're not really hungry. There are many to choose from, but here are some of the top ideas. Knitting, crocheting, reading, watching a favorite movie, taking a hot bath, enjoying a leisurely walk, taking a drive, calling a friend, listening to music, recorded or live, try a new hobby for the first time. Getting involved in a club or team can help you to find outlets for your time and energy. A book club, cooking club, walking club, or photography club could be the answer to your desire to eat when alone or bored. If you tend to eat when you're stressed, exercise can often provide an outlet for your feelings without ruining your diet progress. By taking the focus off of food, you can stick to your plan and still have fulfilling activities in your day. Changing your lifestyle means changing the focus that you've previously put on snacking and using food to celebrate or suppress every emotion. Keeping your hands busy and expanding your social outlets can help with this. What if you could quickly flatten your belly and burn 1 pound of belly fat every single day by making a simple, red tea detox drink? Click the link below this video to discover the amazing, red tea detox recipe, redteadetox.co.education.